What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you an unboxing of the iPod Nano. As you can see here, got the iPod Nano, 8 gig, Apple. Okay, here's the front. Let's get this open. See, we got a little sticker here. Got the 8 gig. I got this for my wife as a Valentine's gift, and I have no nails, so there it is. So let's open this baby up. Save that sticker for later. Okay, let's pop it open. Here we go. First thing, nice packaging. Here you got the iPod itself. Let's put this to the side right now. See what we got here. We got documents, little start here guide, earphones, which I got a bunch of those, and USB cable. Okay, put this back in here. And here's the actual device itself. See, pull here. Wow, this is really cool packaging. And there it is. There it is. See? Take it off. Power button. Volume up and down. Okay, cool. See you guys later.